I talk about Sidful screenwriting to the elders, to the teens, to the professionals who are writing for films. That thing I cannot incorporate here, but these are little kids. It takes time for them to grow. But give them a little thing where they can take a take off kind of thing for storytelling. Then apart from storytelling, character acting. What does a character feel when he is performing in front of the audience, in front of his family members, in front of his friends? And likewise, when it comes to frozen images, freeze images, that's what he called like thought tracking. I think most of the time, most of the things that I'm telling you is maybe off your head kind of a thing, but this is what we teach in theater. We teach a lot of things. We teach warm-up exercises. We teach vocal. We teach facial. We teach acting exercises. And we teach in a different format all these kind of things. We teach a reader's theater. It is a totally different concept in India. Of course, only few publishers and big novelists did.
What's wrong, my dear?
Maintain eye contact, distance. Now choke. At this choke, it is nothing Anirudh is doing. It is always Golu who will act and he'll throw him off. Okay? Okay. Thank you, Anirudh. Now, we need Harshita. Please come. And you usually see this when somebody gets angry and they pull each other's hair. Now, who's pulling whose hair? Okay. Kavya is pulling her hair. And this is a different technique altogether. In theatre, we practice a lot. Whereas in films and TV, it's a totally different thing. But this is theatre, so that nobody gets hurt. It is a safe game. Okay. It is always okay. Come to the position, Harshita, Kavya. It is never a Kavya's act, it is entirely a Harshita's act, because when Kavya lifts her hand, she folds it here and she leaves it on her head. Now, Harshita, perform. It is always Harshita which performs the act. It is never Kavya who's pulling her hair. It is entirely Harshita. She can hold that hand as long as she wants, then she can release it by pushing Kavya. This is a technique which we learn in theatre. Thank you, Harshita and Kavya. Eye contact, distance. Okay. This is one of the techniques where the sound comes, but it is never a slap on the face. The reaction is there, but show the technique. Slowly. This hand comes here and this hand naps it. This is called napping. K-N-A-P. It's called napping. Show it once again to the audience. Eye contact, distance is that. And thank you. And next, Pallavi and Jayesh. What are you showing us?
We are showing choking technique 2.
Choking technique 2. Please do it. Eye contact, distance. This technique, please come. This technique is entirely a Pallavi's act, whereas he only places his hands on the neck. It is never Jayesh, nor intentionally, nor dramatically. It is only Pallavi who's enacting the entire script for him. She will hold it as long as she wants, then she'll act, and then finally she'll throw Jayesh. That is, thank you. Next, okay, careful. Eye contact, distance. Sometimes accidents happen, but be careful. Okay. Okay. This punch is basically, show me in a slow motion. Okay. Turn towards the side, towards the audience. Show the nap. This is the nap. This is a nap. When somebody is striking without anybody's knowledge, we nap. So it looks as if like somebody has really hit them. This is one of the techniques we use in stage for fight, for stage combat. Thank you. Next. You did now? Wait, who else? Everybody did? Akshat? Come. What are you doing, Akshat?
Kick.
Okay, carefully kick, okay? Okay. Okay. Eye contact, distance. Okay. Where is the reaction? Okay. This basically, come here, ma. This basically the technique which we practice is a little bit of this side. Now, careful kick, don't fall, okay? Okay. So that the kick is not actually hit to the body, but it only travels up to here. But the audience won't be able to see from this side because they think it's really hit them. But what happens is, who's giving the nap? He's giving the nap. He gives a sound effect as if it literally hit him. Just show them once. Okay, thank you. And this is one of those things that we practiced in this workshop apart from other activities.